The J2CL6E is a certified low-speed electric cargo vehicle designed for short-distance logistics and urban deliveries. Compact at just 2.89 meters long, it offers seating for up to 3 passengers and a payload capacity of 300 kilograms, making it ideal for small businesses and city transport. Powered by a 3000 W AC motor, the J2C achieves a top speed of 45-70 km per hour with ranges between 90-100 km, depending on battery type. Charging is efficient, with options for lead-acid, 5-6 hours, or lithium iron phosphate batteries, 2-3 hours fast charge. Safety and durability are ensured through reinforced steel construction, LED lighting, and hill start assist. Its customizable cargo box options, refrigerated, insulated, pickup, or flatbed, make it versatile for food delivery, postal services, and e-commerce. Affordable, eco-friendly, and practical, the J2CL6E represents a smart solution for sustainable urban mobility and commercial transport. The Muzoshi cargo vehicle, known as the Pop-Up Mini, is a fully electric 3-wheel delivery solution engineered for last-mile logistics. Compact, yet functional, it offers a 400 kilograms payload capacity and 1.5 cubic meters cargo volume, making it ideal for urban deliveries where space and efficiency are critical. With a top speed of 50 kilometers per hour and the ability to climb 25% gradients, it is well suited for city terrain. Sustainability is central to its design. Each vehicle reduces noise by 25 decibels, consumes 25% less water in production, and offsets emissions equivalent to planting 200 trees annually. Driver-focused features include keyless entry, ergonomic cabins, and horizontal parking capability, ensuring convenience during frequent stops. Charging is simple via any wall plug, eliminating infrastructure barriers. In summary, the Muzoshi cargo vehicle blends eco-friendliness, affordability, and agility, redefining last-mile delivery for businesses seeking cleaner, smarter, and more cost-effective transport solutions. The Wuling E10 is a compact, fully electric commercial vehicle developed by SAIC GM Wuling, designed specifically for last-mile logistics and urban deliveries. With its small footprint and practical cargo space, the E10 is tailored to navigate narrow streets and congested city environments while maintaining efficiency and affordability. Measuring just over 3.3 meters in length, the E10 offers a spacious cargo box despite its compact size, making it ideal for e-commerce, postal services, and food delivery. It is powered by a 20 kilowatts electric motor, paired with a 1626 kilowatt-hours battery pack, delivering ranges between 150-200 kilometers depending on the variant. Charging is straightforward, compatible with standard AC outlets, ensuring ease of use for businesses. The Lucci EV6000 is a compact, fully electric pickup and cargo vehicle designed for urban deliveries and short-range logistics. Built by Zhejiang Lucci Intelligent Technology, it combines affordability, practicality, and eco-friendliness. Powered by a 6000 W motor and a 72V lithium battery, the EV6000 offers a driving range of 100-120 kilometers with a top speed of 60 kilometers per hour, making it ideal for city transport. Charging takes 4-8 hours via a standard outlet, ensuring convenience for small businesses. Measuring 2.96 meters long, it seats 2 passengers and provides flexible cargo options, including pickup and van configurations. Safety features include reinforced construction, LED lighting, and reliable braking systems. With its EECL7E certification, the EV6000 is street legal in Europe, offering businesses a cost-effective solution for sustainable mobility. In summary, the Lucci EV6000 blends compact design, efficiency, and affordability, making it a smart choice for last-mile delivery and eco-friendly urban transport. The REITs Mobile Pickup 4X4L7E is a compact, all-electric utility vehicle designed for off-road and rural applications. With dual 4 kilowatts motors providing all-wheel drive, it delivers reliable performance on uneven terrain while maintaining a top speed of 55 kilometers per hour. Its 72V100Ah battery offers up to 100 kilometers range, making it suitable for daily farm work, forestry, or short-distance transport. Measuring just 3.57 meters long, the pickup is maneuverable yet capable, with a 500 kilograms payload capacity and a practical cargo bed. The reinforced chassis, McPherson front suspension, and leaf spring rear axle ensure stability even on rough paths. Inside, drivers benefit from modern features such as a 7-DARED onboard computer, rear-view camera, and USB-enabled radio. Street legal under the L7E category, it combines off-road toughness with eco-friendly efficiency. In summary, the REIT's mobile pickup 4X4L7E is a versatile, sustainable solution for rural mobility and light-duty logistics. The Jinpeng G49 is a compact electric cargo vehicle designed for urban deliveries and short-range logistics, offering practicality, affordability, and eco-friendly performance. Manufactured by Jinpeng, one of China's largest producers of electric tricycles and light EVs, the G49 emphasizes efficiency in dense city environments. Powered by a 60V, 72V electric motor, delivering around 4.5 kilowatts, the G49 achieves a top speed of 45-55 kilometers per hour, making it suitable for urban roads. Its battery options, typically lead-acid or lithium packs, provide ranges between 8,100 and 20 kilometers, with charging times of 6-8 hours on standard outlets. Compact dimensions allow easy maneuverability, while the enclosed cabin seats 2 passengers and offers protection against weather. The Tilo MT1 is an innovative all-electric mini-truck designed to deliver full-size utility in a compact footprint. Measuring just 152 inches long, it matches the size of a Mini Cooper while offering the interior space and bed length of a Toyota Tacoma. Powered by a 106 kilowatt-hours battery and dual-motor AWD system, the MT1 delivers up to 500 horsepower, a range of 260-350 miles, and rapid charging that adds 210 miles in 20 minutes. Its configurable 5-foot bed and midgate system allow it to carry large items like plywood sheets or surfboards, while seating expands from 5 to 8 passengers with clever storage integration. Safety is enhanced with advanced collision prediction sensors and reinforced construction. Starting at $41,250, the Tilo MT1 is aimed at urban drivers, adventurers, and light commercial users, seeking a sustainable yet powerful alternative to traditional pickups. The Lilong electric pickup truck is a compact, fully electric utility vehicle designed for urban deliveries and short-range logistics. Manufactured by Suzhou Lilong Locomotive Company Limited, it combines affordability, practicality, and eco-friendliness. Powered by a 60V1800W motor and a 60V86Ah battery, the truck delivers a range of about 60 kilometers with a top speed of 43 kilometers per hour, making it ideal for city transport. Charging takes around 7 hours via a standard outlet, ensuring convenience for small businesses. Measuring 3.2 meters long, it seats up to 2 passengers and supports a payload of 400 kilograms, with a sturdy open cargo bed for versatile use. Safety features include front and rear disc brakes and reinforced construction. Compact, maneuverable, and cost-effective, the Lilong electric pickup truck provides a sustainable solution for last-mile delivery, food services, and small-scale logistics, making it a smart choice for eco-conscious urban operators. The Aquel E4 electric mini cargo van is a compact, fully electric utility vehicle designed for urban deliveries and short-range logistics. Built with efficiency and affordability in mind, it offers businesses a sustainable alternative to traditional small vans. Measuring just over 3 meters in length, the E4 is highly maneuverable, making it ideal for navigating narrow streets and crowded city environments. Powered by a 48V72V electric motor, the van achieves a top speed of around 45-55 kilometers per hour, suitable for urban roads. Its battery options, typically lead-acid or lithium packs, provide ranges between 80-120 kilometers, with charging times of 6-8 hours on standard outlets. The enclosed cargo box offers ample space for goods, with payloads of up to 400 kilograms, making it practical for food delivery, postal services, and e-commerce logistics. The ELM Tiny Electric Van is a compact, fully electric utility vehicle designed for short-range logistics and urban deliveries. Its small footprint makes it highly maneuverable in crowded city environments, while still offering practical cargo space for businesses. Measuring just over 3 meters in length, the van is ideal for navigating narrow streets and tight parking spots. Powered by a modest electric motor paired with lithium or lead-acid battery options, the ELM Tiny Van achieves ranges of around 80-120 kilometers per charge, with a top speed of 45-55 kilometers per hour, making it suitable for last-mile delivery. Charging is simple, via standard household outlets, typically requiring 6-8 hours. The enclosed cargo box supports payloads of up to 400 kilograms, making it versatile for food delivery, postal services, and e-commerce logistics. The ALK ATX 440E, 440M is a robust electric utility vehicle designed for professional use in urban, industrial, and off-road environments. Manufactured in Italy, it combines compact dimensions with high payload capacity, making it versatile for logistics, maintenance, and eco-friendly transport. Equipped with a 14 kilowatts electric motor, the ATX 440M delivers strong torque for demanding tasks, while maintaining zero emissions and low noise. Its battery options lead-acid or lithium provide ranges of 7,150 kilometers, with charging times between 6-8 hours depending on configuration. The vehicle supports a payload capacity of up to 1,635 kilograms and a towing capacity of 4,500 kilograms, ensuring heavy-duty performance in a compact frame. The VinFast EC Van is a compact, fully electric commercial vehicle developed by Vietnamese automaker VinFast, designed to support last-mile logistics and urban deliveries. With its small footprint and practical cargo capacity, the EC Van is tailored for maneuvering through dense city streets while offering businesses a sustainable transport solution. Powered by an electric motor paired with lithium-ion batteries, the EC Van delivers ranges of around 200-300 kilometers per charge, depending on configuration, with a top speed suitable for urban and suburban roads. Charging is convenient via standard AC outlets and fast charging stations, ensuring flexibility for fleet operators. Its enclosed cargo box provides ample space for goods, making it ideal for e-commerce, postal services, and food delivery. The Wuling G100P electric mini truck is a compact, fully electric utility vehicle developed by Sake and Letitia Buffoni, alongside ranchers and farmers such as Tucker Brown and Cody Archie. The event blended motorsport with rural challenges, highlighting grit and determination over pure speed. In a dramatic final, Texas rancher Tucker Brown defeated pro racer Dustin Jones after Jones mishandled the hay bale section, proving that farm work builds unmatched resilience. Brown's victory earned him a brand new Defender HD11 and showcased the Derby's unique spirit. In summary, the Can-Am Derby 2025 celebrated toughness, community, and the fusion of farming and motorsports. The e-trikes Smart-Tuk L2 is a modern electric tuk-tuk designed for sustainable urban mobility and light cargo transport. Compact and versatile, it blends the traditional three-wheeled tuk-tuk design with advanced electric technology, making it ideal for eco-conscious businesses and city commuters. Powered by a 48V72V electric motor, the Smart-Tuk L2 achieves a top speed of around 45-55 kilometers per hour, suitable for urban roads. Its battery options, typically lead-acid or lithium packs, deliver ranges between 80-120 kilometers, with charging times of 6-8 hours using standard outlets. The vehicle's lightweight construction ensures efficiency, while its enclosed cabin provides comfort and protection against weather.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.